Going to price a job up, looking at a chimney in Audley, Staffordshire, bordering on Cheshire, and I've had a call out to see it because it's got rain all coming inside, and I'm going to have a view of it now.
Morning everybody, this is Chris on YouTube. I'm going out to view a chimney this morning to give a price on it, to have a look at the problems. It's got water coming into the ceiling and down into the hallway, so I'm going to have a look now. This is my day. I'm going to start off, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to view it, so I'll catch you and show you some pictures as we go. Okay, I've arrived and this is the job. We're going to go up and have a look and see what it's like.
Okay, as you can see on here, we've got the capping that looks like it's really deteriorated. All the bricks on the crown there are cracked and letting water in. Pretty bad shape all around.
Some holes here.
As you can see, there's a big hole here, and as I've just pointed out,
That's okay. Okay. If you stand further back, you can actually see there where it's placed, and it's the same on the inside. Yeah. Chimney stack is here. That's where it's coming in. Follow it up. That's where the perished bricks are there, and the chimney is just there. So it's could be coming down like that, and down and in. Okay. See that knocked the walls out, yeah. That the chimney goes right round, knocked out there. This is the other side, and the damp is coming down, and it's at the bottom there, isn't it? Comes cooling out down here. So yeah, so.
I didn't even know, because when it was around here, whether it's coming out from underneath here as well.
Yeah.
But I mean, it was literally the water was out here,
yeah,
or around there.
Yeah, that's it. This is the inside, isn't it? So
yeah.
That's dry though there.
this is the flue that's not used, the back side of the chimney. So I'm going to put an air brick in the chimney breast at the top, help it to breathe and stop the damp.
So up we go into the dark. Okay, that's the job. Okay, that's the job that we just looked at, and I think I'm going to go home now and price it up. Several things that need doing: the capping, the top, an air brick in it probably in some pointing. The lead looks good, but that's the side that gets all the rain, and it's driving and hitting those points, and that's where all the damp is coming in my opinion. So I'm just going to go home, give her a price, see what they come out at, see if we get the job. Okay.